If you've ever wished your home felt more alive, if you've ever wondered whether you could keep a plant thriving, or if you just want to feel that deep joy of being surrounded by greenery, you're in the right place. For as long as I can remember, plants have been part of my life. I've grown up with them, cared for them, and learned from them. And through all those years, one thing has stayed true. Plants have a way of transforming not just our spaces, but also us. They slow us down, teach us patience, and remind us that growth is never perfect, but it's always beautiful. For plants, people, and pollinators, one of my favorite plants is the anthurium plant.
What is your houseplant parenting style?
Here at Pistils and Pollen, I don't just teach plant care. I invite you into a journey of growth.
Pistils and Pollen, welcome back to my
Together, we'll explore how to care for plants with confidence, create a home that inspires you, and most importantly, embrace the process without needing perfection. If that sounds like the kind of journey you want to be on, subscribe and join our growing community. Let's grow something beautiful together.